Hi guys, Max from Metro again. The other shipment that we're expecting and that should be in the stores by maybe today but probably Monday is the new items from ICM. We've had a whole bunch of them turn up and I thought I'd just show you some. Starting from the top, we've got some 35th scale stuff. This is service women of the Armed Forces of the Ukraine, just a 4-figure set. If you happen to be doing the dioramas containing figures and things like that, one of the biggest points that's coming out of the Ukrainian war is how many women are involved in actual combat. So, that's in 35th scale. We've got another continuation of the SDKFZ half-track series. This is the ambulance version. This is also 35th scale. This one in 35th scale as well. This is one of their sets that they've combined bits and pieces from each one to create a Dardanelles set. It's not specifically Australian, but a lot of the figures can be obviously considered to be Australian. There's a machine gun crew, infantry set, and a Turkish infantry. So there's about 8 to 10 figures in there. It's a nice little set if you're doing up a diorama or even a vignette. So that's quite good. Continuation of their FWD series. This is the ammunition struck. So that's also coming. That's also 35th scale. Now, in 48 scale, they released this one in its glider version. As the war went on, they decided they needed to add engines to their glider. So this is the engine version, twin engine type jobby. This is the 242B2. So that's quite nice. If you've got the glider one, you can put this one with it and do a bit of a diorama up. So that's pretty cool. We finally got in the 48 scale Sallies, KI-21s. This is the B, this is the 1, this is the 2. There's slight variations in armour. These are lovely kits. The reviews I've read on them are just superb. But the big items that everybody's been waiting for and talking to us about getting in is ICM's 48 scale Marauder. This is just a lovely kit. There's a lot of detail in it. There's a lot of finesse in the kit. We haven't had a 48 scale Marauder since the Monogram and AMT ones that were released many years ago. So these are state of the art. They're beautifully done. The marking choices are excellent. This is the standard kit. This has just got 3 choices of markings in it, as you can see by the side. It's just the reviews and everything I've seen, even the one I've seen, a friend of mine's got one, just lovely kit. If you want to go one step further, this is the one. Comes with the Marauder as well, D-Day 80th anniversary, but it comes with the 5 ground crew and air crew figure set. So if you want to do up that sort of basic little diorama and things like that, that's the one there. It's also got one of my favourite choices of markings, the yellow nose one with the tiger, the shark mouth type of thing on it. Really nice. This all should be in store, as I said, maybe today, but probably by Monday. If you want to drop in and see us, have a look at them. They're just superb. I will do a box opening on the Marauder to show you a little bit about it later. But for now, come in and see us. The CBD store is really starting to get going. There's more and more stock coming in all the time. So it's worth dropping in and seeing us and seeing what we've got. But guys, have a great day. Enjoy your modelling and we will see you again soon. Take care.